students. Today in grammar, we are going to be looking at linking verbs. So as we read, a linking verb connects the subject to the rest of the sentence. And remember, a subject is who or what the sentence is about. A linking verb does not show action. So while it may be called a linking verb, and we know a verb is a thing something does, or an action, we know a linking verb is not going to show the action. So it's not going to show what somebody does, like a verb would if you had a verb by itself. The linking verb be has special forms in the present tense, such as is, are, and am. So those are examples of linking verbs. Parrots are birds. The forest is big. I am in the forest. So notice how before your linking verb you have your subject. This sentence is about parrots. This sentence is about the forest. And this sentence is about I. So this linking verb connects our subject to the rest of the sentence. Parrots are big. The forest is big. Parrots are birds. The forest is big. I am in the forest. So that linking verb connects. And some examples of the linking verbs are is, are, and am. For A, you are going to circle the linking verb in each sentence. Number 1, forests are busy places. From what I've read up here, I know the linking verb is are, so I'm going to circle it. Number 2 says, I am near a large tree. You're going to again circle the linking verb. I'm going to read the rest of the sentences, and as I read, make sure you circle the linking verb in each sentence. Number 3, a bird is in the tree. Number 4, it is very colorful. Number 5, a snake is near the bird. Number 6, other animals are in the tree too. So make sure you've circled all your linking verbs. If you need to rewind and listen to me read the sentences again, then do so. For letter B, you'll write a sentence of your own using a linking verb. So I'm going to write you an example sentence. I might say, we are going to the zoo. So think about all the parts of my sentence here. I have we, which is my subject. That's who this sentence is about. And then I have my linking verb, are, that connects my subject to the rest of my sentence. My verb, the action, is going, and then to the, and I have my place, my noun, zoo. We are going to the zoo. So I've used are in my sentence as a linking verb. So make sure that you make up your own sentence, not one of these sentences and not my example sentence. You're going to write your own, making sure you capitalize the beginning and put a period at the end. As you flip to the back side, we are talking about proper nouns. We've all heard of these. Proper nouns name a specific people, places, or things. So just like a noun is a person, place, or thing, I could say student, that's a noun. Desk, that's a noun. The lake, that's a noun. But they are not specific. I could be talking about any student or any lake. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter, okay, because they're specific places. Like instead of saying student, I might say my student George. His name is George, names are capitalized, and that's a proper noun. Some proper nouns are the names of geographical places, so places all around our world. We have Florida, a state, Europe, a country, South America, a continent, the United States is our country, Pacific Ocean is capitalized because we're talking about a specific ocean, and California is capitalized because we're talking about a specific state. Down here, you're going to choose the proper noun that names a place. Write it correctly on the line below. So we're talking about proper names that name a specific place. So, for example, number 1, I have 3 words. I have Africa, land, and place. I know Africa is a country and that is a proper noun. So I'm going to circle Africa and write it correctly on the line by capitalizing it. That's the most important part, is writing it correctly and capitalizing. Number 2, I have state, Alaska, and mountain. I know these are all nouns, but Alaska is the proper noun because that is a specific place. So I'm going to circle it, use a capital A, and write it on the line. For the rest of these, I'm going to read the 3 words, and you are going to circle the one that is a proper noun. Then you will write it on the line using capital letters. Remember, if you have 2 words in the proper noun, you have to capitalize both. For example, rainforest, stream, Cuyahoga River. If I am choosing Cuyahoga River, I need to capitalize Cuyahoga and river because I'm talking about a specific river. So that word also has to be capitalized. Number 4, we have map, Brazil, hill. Number 5, we have Iowa, city, village. Number 6, we have lake, water, Atlantic Ocean. Number 7, we have New York, coast, waterfall. Number 7, we have grassland, desert, and Mexico. So make sure you circle the proper noun in the list of 3 and write it correctly on the line with a capital letter. Make sure you put your name on your paper and turn it in when you're done.